PC 832 Certification Practice Test 2026 Arrest and Firearms Course California. Question 1. Which learning domain covers the laws of arrest in the PC 832 course? LD 15, LD 16, LD 20, LD 35. LD 15 specifically covers the laws of arrest according to California Post standards. Question 2. To pass the PC 832 written examination, what is the minimum required score? 70%, 75%, 80%, 85%. Students must earn a score of at least 75% to pass the comprehensive written exam. Question 3. What is the maximum time allowed for the 80-question PC 832 comprehensive test? 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. Students are allowed 2 hours to complete the examination. Question 4. Which LD deals with search and seizure? LD 01, LD 15, LD 16, LD 17. LD 16 is dedicated to search and seizure principles. Question 5. What happens if a student fails the PC 832 retest? They can take a third test. They must wait 1 year. They must repeat the program. They are barred from law enforcement. If a retest is failed, the student must repeat the entire program component. Question 6. Which component of PC 832 covers the use of force? LD 18, LD 20, LD 30, LD 39. LD 20 provides the foundational information on the use of force. Question 7. How many hours are required for the PC 832 firearms component? 18 hours, 24 hours, 40 hours, 72 hours. The firearms component has a minimum 24-hour requirement. Question 8. A peace officer's powers expire if they have a break in service of how long? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Requalification is required if there is a 3-year or longer break in service. Question 9. Which LD covers crime scenes, evidence, and forensics? LD 02, LD 30, LD 33, LD 42. LD 30 is focused on crime scenes and evidence handling. Question 10. True or false, PC 832 training is required for all California peace officers. True, false. PC 832 is the minimum training standard for CA peace officers per Regulation 1005. Question 11. What is the arrest component hour requirement? 24 hours, 40 hours, 45 hours, 64 hours. The arrest component has a 40-hour minimum requirement. Question 12. Which LD covers investigative report writing? LD 18, LD 17, LD 16, LD 15. LD 18 focuses on documenting incidents through report writing. Question 13. Safety handling of a firearm is part of which outcome? LD 15, LD 33, LD 35, LD 01. LD 35 covers firearms safety and shooting principles. Question 14. In PC 832, presentation of evidence is found in which domain? LD 15, LD 16, LD 17, LD 18. LD 17 covers the presentation of evidence in legal proceedings. Question 15. What is the total minimum duration for the full PC 832 course? 40 hours, 64 hours, 72 hours, 80 hours. The total combined minimum for arrest, 40, and firearms, 24, is 64 hours. Question 16. Which LD addresses cultural diversity and discrimination? LD01, LD03, LD42, LD39. LD42 is the learning domain for cultural diversity/discrimination. Question 17. Arrest methods and control training involves how many hours? 9 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, 40 hours. Specific training in arrest methods typically includes 9 hours of instruction. Question 18. Ethical policing is covered in which LD? LD01, LD05, LD15, LD20. LD01 covers leadership, professionalism, and ethics. Question 19. Which statute establishes the PC 832 training requirement? Penal Code 830, Penal Code 832, Vehicle Code 1005, Health and Safety Code 11350. Penal Code Section 832 mandates this training. Question 20. The grading for skills examinations in PC 832 is usually letter grade, percentage, pass/fail, numerical score. Skills examinations like arrest and control are graded pass/fail.